Alright, a Bitcoin miner that's drying clothes. Got an old 1970, 1975, whatever dryer. I have gutted most of the controls, rigged it so you just flip the switch, and it adds time. That's up on top. See a little bit of ductwork. Got an S19 miner there with a 3D printed shroud coming over and being fed by a 10-inch blower fan, which I've learned at this point is not needed because it sucks so hard it's actually shrinking the tube, and the blower on the dryer pulls more air than that fan does, so I'll end up eliminating that fan. It comes down to a box that's mounted to the floor. It has a filter in it at this seam where I can take this board off, place the filter, and an access point under the house to suck the air out from under the house. Kind of dry out under there. Ignore my wires. There's conduit coming. I just don't have it in yet. The back of the dryer, of course, where the old gas part of the furnace was, it's just been hollowed out and covered up. Then took off most of their gaswork stuff. Just put on an 8-inch connector because that's what the hole size was. Go to an 8-inch outside vent.